Hi there, the numbers are moving. I'm recording. Hi there, this is Weather Riverman here at KFUI Radio. This is a KFUI video production. This is a 2007 Monte Carlo, and this does apply for the 2007 through 2013 Buick Skylarks as well as the Chevy Caprices. Common problem is a clicking sound. First of all, I had a problem with the blower, so I'm going to try and show this here. I took the motor out, had to pry off the fins with 2 screwdrivers, and then take the motor out and then repair the brushes inside the motor. So this does work. So doing baby steps here, but the clicking sound is still there. So somebody uploaded a video about where the part is to fix the clicking sound, but I'm thinking, how do I get to that? So I tried this ratchet, right? I can't even get that in there from, the small space. Plus there's 2 screws. There's one in front, and then there behind the 3-wire harness, there is another one up there. And then you got the gear, the part that turns, but it clicks. And those have to be calibrated, or you might have to get another switch. So since I cannot fit this here, and this little ratchet seems to do a little bit better job, but I can get it in there, but I can't turn it at all. I mean, it won't even, not even nudge it. So here's what I did. This is cool. I took a Allen wrench that fits in here beautifully. Now the best thing is to put a piece of paper in here so it doesn't fall out, because when I was making the first video, thinking I was hip, slick, and cool, I said, do not drop the socket, which I did. It fell back into the behind the fuse box. Just kidding. Okay, I shouldn't do that. So basically I wanted to make the video just a little bit better by saying that there is a better way, and you can make your own tool with an Allen wrench and a 5.5 millimeter socket to get to that piece, and then I could calibrate it, because right now it is stuck pretty much where the air conditioner heat comes out, or heat, where the air conditioner air comes out, but it's heat. But I need my defrost to work, especially during the winter. We have cold winters here in Colorado. So I just wanted to give Cliff Notes and just add to the video that the other guys made about where the part is. And I'm not sure how I got to the part. He didn't give that part. He just pointed to the part that was behind the glove box in a 2007 Monte Carlo. And again, this is good for Chevy Caprices 2007 to 2013. And then Chevy Caprices, did I just say that? Buick Skylarks, Regals, and almost any GM car that has the same body style with the same type heater system. So I've been working on this car off and on. This car does run on squirrels. It does get 40.54 miles per gallon on the highway, not in the mountains, but on the straightaways. So it's worth fixing because I save a lot on gas. So basically the parts are relatively cheap, but I would prefer to see if I can repair the part. If not, this part here is anywhere from, where is it? Right there. It's anywhere from about $14 to $26 on eBay or through a parts store for this part. And again, this is how to get access to the part that changes the mechanism. It has 3 gears in it, and they're not lined up, and they make click sounds when I try to switch over from one source to another. So I have it set on defrost, but it's not really fully on defrost. It's only like 20% on defrost at this point. So Weather Riverman here at KFUI. This is a KFUI video production. Have a good day.